Question number 5. Name the two parameters passing mechanisms. Number 1, passing by reference. When you pass an argument by reference, any changes to the corresponding parameter inside the procedure will change the value of the original argument when the procedure is executed. Number 2, passing by value. Any change to the corresponding parameter inside the procedure will not change the value to the original parameter when the procedure is executed. Here, while calling function a procedure, the argument should be closed by parenthesis. Question number 6. Differences between the fixed array and the dynamic array. Fixed array, dynamic array. Number 1, collection of fixed number of values of a single type. Collection of dynamic number of values of a single type. Size of array is fixed. Size of array is differing. No change during execution. Changes during runtime. Memory set before execution. Not set before execution. No chance of running out of memory. Chance of running out of memory. Question number 7. What is control array? Control array is a group of control that share the same name and type. Control array share the same event procedures, and each individual control array have different property values. Control array consumes fewer resources. Same control for different purposes. Question number 8. State the purpose of submain. Submain is a procedure that may be attached to code module, can have only one submain procedure in any project. Submain form1.show, form1 refresh, form main.show, end stub. Question number 9. What is the stub programming? A method stub, or simply stub, is software development is a piece of code that stands in for some other programming functionality. A stub may stimulate the behavior of existing, such as procedure on the same machines, such as methods are often called mocks, or be a temporary substitute for yet to be developed by code. Useful in posting distributed computing. Useful software developed. Useful for testing. Question number 10. Write note on shape control. The line and shape control work together to draw the lines, blocks, and all kinds of circular figures on the form. The primary graphic images that you can draw: lines, rectangles, squares, ovals, circles, rounded rectangles, rounded squares. Question number 11. State the purpose of LOF command. This function should be used for files operand with the open statement. You can use the file function to be obtained in the size of the file. Synchronize LOF file number. The number of file integer returns the length of the size of the open file in bytes. File opened by using open statement. LOF function determines the size of the open file. Question number 12. What do you mean by OLE automation? OLE automation is an interprocessor communication mechanism which makes it possible for one application to manipulate objects implemented in another application, or to expose objects so that they can be manipulated. It is based on a subset of components object model mechanism for application to control another. As with the DDE, in OLE automation, the automation controller in the client and the application exporting the automation object is the server. For B, question number 13. Explain the data type in VB. Data types and declarations for memory locations, variables that determine the characteristics of the data that may be stored and methods of processing that are permitted involving data types. Types of data in VB: numeric consists of byte, integer, long, single, double; non-numeric string, fixed, variable, date, boolean, object, variant, user defined data type. Explain the type conversions in VB. Conversion functions are used to convert one data type to another. ASCII returns the character code corresponding to fixed letter in the string. CHR returns the character associated specified character code. CBOL converts the expression into boolean. Byte converts the expression into byte. Current converts the expression into currency. Date converts the expression into date. DBL converts the expression to double. Int converts the expression into integer. Long to long. Single to single. STR to string. Variant to variant. STR string reconstruction of number. Value returns the number of requested of string. Question number 15. With an example, explain the do while loop. First, it will check the condition. If it is true, it executes the statements inside the loop. Otherwise, it will come out of the loop. The do while condition statements loop private sub form load form1 dot show dim e as integer I equal to 1, do while I is less than or equal to 5, print I equal to I plus 1, loop end sub. Question number 16. Explain the general format of the user defined function. A function procedure like subprocedure user defined function is used to execute a set of statements. It can take arguments and also change the value of the arguments, but unlike a subprocedure, it can return values to the calling procedure. Public, private, static functions as data type. VB statements in function. Example: public function square root number as integer as double, function square root equal to sqr number in function. Creating a function procedure, press F7 or open the code window by double clicking anywhere in the form. Select tools menu in that function procedure. Question number 17. Develop a function called find max. Find the maximum of an array. Public function find max by reference my array as variable as integer, dim I as integer, dim max index as integer, max integer index equal to 0. For I equal to 1 to u bound my array. If my array of I is greater than my array of max integer index, then the max integer index equal to I. And if next index of max value of integer array, max value of integer array equal to array max integer end function. Dim t of 100 as integer. For r equal to 1 to 100, t of r randomize of into 100. Next, r equal to t dot max. Question number 18. Explain the methods the common dialog box control. So this is explained in November 2015 question paper, question number 23, same as this. Question number 19. List and explain the file handling commands. A file is a collection of data stored in disk within the specific name and directory path. When a file is opened for reading or writing, it is becomes a stream. Types of files: sequential file, read from beginning to end; random access file, access by any other order; binary file, stored in the binary form, not in the plain text. Operations on the file: file open mode, input data read from the file, output data is returned to the file, append data will be returned to the end of the file, random opened in the random access, binary opened in the binary mode. Open a file. Open statement is executed to open a file. Synchronize open file name for mode, file name, length, recording length. Example: open myfile.txt for random read lock, read as my file in the disk. For random, it is default if it is mentioned access to the records. Read restricts access to read only. Lock read means the person only read the record can access that stored among users. File handles for all processing in the program. It always will be referred to as an #, not in the file name. Close file, used to close a file. Synchronize close file name, file number 2, close 1, 2, 3 are the examples. One or more files separated by commas. Write data into the file. Data returned to the file is opened in the output or append mode. Synchronize write the file number, item list. Example: write #1 my phone number in 124500. Read the data from the file, read from exists and is opened. Synchronize input file name, then the input statement is used to read the data from the file. Example: dim temp as string. Open C location text for input #1 input temp, close #1 message box temp. Opening a file in the append mode. Synchronize open file name, append #1. Detecting the end of the file. File end of file is located. UAF file number, UAF #1. Sequential file, file handling functions. Free file, end of file, file length. LOF seek. Part C. Question number 20. Explain the editing tools in VB. VB has 4 default toolbars. They are standard, edit, debug, form, editor. To view the toolbar, go to view menu. Standard toolbar. The standard toolbar contains the buttons that are shortcuts to some commonly used menu items. That some of them open project, save project, cut, copy, paste, and form, add form, etc. Edit toolbar. This toolbar contains assist in editing VB code. Debug toolbar. This toolbar contains assisting in finding errors in the coding, debugging the session. Form editor. This assists in adjusting the items in the forms. Question number 21. Explain the different form of if statement with example. Definition. If statements are called as conditional statements enabling to execute certain set of statements based on condition. The conditions are specified at the decision time. At the runtime, it is evaluated. Depending upon the condition, the block of code is executed. The type of if statements are if then else, if then else if then. Evaluate whether the condition is true or false and direct the program flow condition accordingly. If condition, then statement. End if. Explanation. If the value of a is less than 5, then the value of a is printed, otherwise it will not be printed. If a is less than or equal to 5, then print a. End if is the example. If then else allows to define two blocks of code to have the program executed on based upon result of the condition. If the condition, then statement 1, else statement 2. End if. If a is less than or equal to 5, then print a, else message box number 1 to 5. End if. Explanation. If the value of a is less than 5, then the value of a is printed, otherwise it displays the message box with the managed number 1 to 5. If then else if is evaluated more than one condition and also define several blocks of statements. If condition 1, then statement 1, else if condition 2, then statement 2, else statement 3. End if. Example, b equal to 10. If a is less than or equal to 5, then print a. If a is less than or equal to 10, then print b. Else message box number 1 to 10. End if. Explanation. If the value of a is less than or equal to 5, then print the value of a. Otherwise, check whether the value is less than or equal to 10. Value of b printed, otherwise message the number 1 to 10 displayed. Nested if. Too much if is nested, it is known as nested if. It is better to avoid for complications. Discuss about the features of combo box. This has been explained in November 2015. Question number 22. Question number 23. Explain menu editor. This utility is used for creating menus, allows to create custom menus for application and define properties. Usage. Designing the right kind of menus makes you to application much more user-friendly. Menus that contain submenus are usually called hierarchical menus. Menu editor. Create menus in VB by using menu editor window. Choose tools menus and that select menu editor. Caption text box. Show up the text area inside the dialog box. Menu item will not have default caption. Name text box. Name of the menu. It is a part of control array. They have different control name. OK and cancel button. OK for finishing, cancel for not built. Index box used when menu item is part of the control array. You can add new instances of a control runtime. Shortcut box lets you to add accelerator keys in the menu items. Windows list checkbox used to have the MDI windows. Help context box used when you adding help system. Checked checkbox determines whether the check mark show in the front of the menu item. The default checkbox is off. Enable checkbox determines the value of the enabled properly of the menu item. A menu item that is enabled is respond to click event. Visible checkbox determine the value of the visible property of the menu item. If the menu item is made invisible, all its submenu are also invisible. Arrow button, the buttons lets you to work in the correct menu item. New button, clicking the next button moves you to the next menu item or inserts the new item. If you are end of the menu, insert menu button, clicking the insert menu button inserts the menu item box currently highlighting menu item. Delete button, clicking the delete buttons currently highlighted in the item. Simple menu editor window, the menu editor that led to hierarchical menu items that intended appends on the menu bar, intended once menu bar and indicated twice in the submenu. When you create menu, you will form look like this. Question number 24. Explain the most common methods of file system object. Definition. The file system object FSO model provides an object box tool for working with folders and files. It allows to use familiar object types of FSO file, folder, drives, text stream, random access files. Usage. FSO is used to manipulate the files, folders and directories. Methods available to FSO. Method description. Copy file, used to copy an existing file. Copy folder, copy an existing folder. Create folder, create a folder. Create text file, create a text file. Delete file, delete a file. Delete folder, delete a folder. Derive exists, determines whether the drive exists. File exists, determines whether the file exists. Folder exists, determines whether a folder exists. Get absolute path name, returns the full path name. Get drive, returns the specified drive. Get drive name, returns the drive name. Get file, returns the specified file name. Get file name, returns the specified file name. Get folder, returns the specified folder name. Get parent folder name, get the parent folder name. Get temp name, returns the temporary file name. Move file, used to move a file. Opening text file, opening a text file. The FSO file object, the following uses some is FSO fields properties to display the formation about a file. Private sub display file info by value, file name as string. Dim FSO as new file system object. Dim file specific as in file. Dim file info as string. File specific FSO get file name. String file name specific name dot VB control. String info str info created. Str info string info file specific date. String info last access. String info file specific date last access. String info last modified. Str info in specific date last modified. Message box str info VB information file information. End sub. The copy, delete, move, OpenStream methods are available in the FSO objects.